Hey guys, Monty here with another product review, and I'm pretty sure the audio will work this time, unlike last. So, win-win already. I got a pair of motorcycle gloves from the Sullivan Glove Company, and I think these guys are kind of special. So before I talk about the gloves, I want to just hit about the company themselves. According to their website, they say, as one of the last U.S. glove makers, we hold true to our original commitment to enduring craftsmanship. We source American grade A hides in deer, elk, buffalo, goat, sheep, pig, and cow. The leathers are cut using decades-old form-fitting patterns that give each pair minimal seams for more comfort and less points of failure. Every pair is hand-sewn in Bend, Oregon. So I should definitely point out before I actually get started, I'm the kind of person that likes to go out of their way to make sure that they have this on their label. If it doesn't come out good in the video here, I'll take a picture and I'll post it online. That whole made in the USA right there, in this case Bend, Oregon, on these gloves. That's always a pretty big deal for me whenever I'm shopping a product, so I wanted to make sure I got that in these pair of gloves as well, because I needed a new pair. So first of all, I gotta say, wow, these are comfortable. These are so unbelievably comfortable against your skin. If you have sensitive skin, I would bet money that you will have no problem with these gloves. I know people who have who are hypoallergenic, who maybe break out of hives, or they have just some kind of allergic reaction in general. I would bet money that anyone with skin problems would be able to use at least these gloves from this company. So with these motorcycle gloves, as they said, they were hand sewn in the US. In this case, I got a large. They actually have a sizing pattern chart to figure out what size gloves you need, and they got it down to a T. Their customer service does say that if you need to exchange a pair, that's not a problem whatsoever. You can do that, and that in the United States, free shipping and exchanges. So that's a win-win here. With these gloves, you're able to custom order. You don't have to, but you can have it with the, as you can see here, the little black spots on the gloves here. So you can use your smartphone while you're out on your bike, which is something I've been toying around with already, and they work out good. I used it multiple times over the weekend. As soon as I put on the gloves, after I had them on for a while, doesn't matter if my hands were kind of cold or kind of warm, and they picked them up with no problem. So that works out well. And it's if you want the feature, you can have it sewn on as a extra bonus. You can spend, I believe it's an extra $10 to have it added on. You don't need to have it, which is kind of nice if you want to just bring the cost down a little bit. These are the 80th anniversary Heritage Shorty gloves. These gloves cost $75. They come in black, or in this case, saddle tan. And let's see, for the features, 2.5 to 3 ounces of American deerskin, drum dyed in the United States, as I mentioned, handmade in Bend, Oregon. Fun fact, that's where the last Blockbuster is. And unlined for spring and fall fashion or driving. These are great. I do like the extra leather strip here for the knuckles, a little added protection. If anything, my only I guess to say problem I would have with the gloves, or anything I wish it would have different, I wish these gloves had maybe this kind of harder leather, maybe around the palm here, or just to add a little bit of protection, maybe up on part of the fingers. And to be honest, I would even spend extra money if that was the case, to have that for these gloves. So I will say this much, I will definitely consider buying more gloves from this company. I should point out that I paid for these with my own money. These were not handouts by any stretch of the imagination. And listen, they have a nice little variety of gloves that they can use. And honestly, I think these would, maybe not these gloves, but they have enough options where maybe somebody might want them as a gift, or for their outfit or something like that, or for their for gardening, or for motorcycles, or for maybe carpentry work or woodwork or something like that. So there's a lot going on over here. They match the tobacco jacket that I have from the company Tobacco, I should say. So I like the color matching with that kind of, I guess, washed out green, I can call it. So it fits my needs perfectly. But again, I would consider buying these. So I would say a total thumbs up. I think there's a lot of pros against the cons on this one. And I think this is something that more people should check out. So guys, that's everything for today. Let me know what you think in the comments below if you've purchased any Sullivan gloves, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.